Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about getting into forex trading, or maybe switching brokers, you've probably come across the name Exness. And if you're wondering whether it's actually a good broker or just hype, this video is for you. I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Exness in 2025, who they are, what they offer, what kind of fees you'll pay, how reliable their support is, and whether they're worth trading with. Stick around, because by the end, you'll be able to make a fully informed decision. This is the Exness Market Channel, where we provide the most useful information about trading activities on the Exness platform. We are a leading development partner of Exness. If you're new to Exness Market, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. You'll find the registration guide and the latest Exness updates in the video description and pinned comment. Besides this channel, you can also visit our Exness Market website to explore more about Exness. So, first things first, what is Exness? Exness is a global forex broker that's been around since 2008. It started in St. Petersburg, Russia, founded by a team of finance and IT professionals. But the real growth happened when the company moved its headquarters to Europe, specifically Cyprus. That move was a game changer. Since then, Exness has exploded in scale and is now considered one of the biggest retail forex brokers in the world. According to their own data, by December 2019, their clients were already generating over $325.7 billion in monthly trading volume, and that number has only gone up since then. Exness now serves clients from all over the world. Their website is available in more than 14 languages, and they have regional offices in multiple countries. Their two main offices are located in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and Cyprus. But they also operate across many jurisdictions. What's more, Exness isn't just a forex broker anymore. They've expanded into other financial areas, including securities, through subsidiaries like Nimstar Limited. In short, they've grown into a full-scale financial group with global operations and ambitions. Now let's talk regulation, one of the most important things to consider when choosing a broker. Exness is licensed and regulated by several top-tier financial authorities, including the FCA in the UK and CYSEC in Cyprus. They also hold licenses in other regions like South Africa, Curaçao, Kenya, and the British Virgin Islands. Regulation is important because when you deposit your funds into a broker's platform, you're trusting them with your money. You want to know that the broker won't restrict your withdrawals or misuse your funds. And that's where solid regulation comes in. In fact, Exness is also a member of the Investor Compensation Fund, ICF. That means in the rare event that something goes wrong with the company, you may be eligible to receive compensation of up to €20, or up to 90% of your claim amount, depending on the specific case and jurisdiction. That level of protection is something not all brokers offer. Exness also uses a segregated account system, which is mandatory for FCA-regulated brokers. Basically, your money is stored separately from the company's own funds, and it's kept in reputable banks like Barclays, Balticums Bank, and OCBC Bank. This adds an extra layer of financial safety and ensures the broker can't use your funds for their own operations or to trade against you. To top it off, Exness is fully transparent with its financials. Their statements are audited by Deloitte, one of the Big Four global auditing firms, and the results are publicly available on their website. Now, let's move on to account types. Exness offers two main categories: standard accounts and professional accounts. Under the standard category, you've got the regular standard account and the standard cent account. These are great for beginners. The minimum deposit is just $1, depending on your payment method. And spreads are stable. The cent account is perfect for those who want to test strategies without risking large amounts. On the professional side, you've got three options: raw spread, zero, and pro. These are designed for more experienced traders and require a minimum deposit of $200. All professional accounts come with some standout features: unlimited leverage, faster execution, and tighter spreads. For example, the raw spread and zero accounts both charge commission, starting from $7 per lot. Round turn. That means the fee covers both opening and closing the trade. For raw spread, The commission is fixed. For zero, the fee varies depending on the instrument. And in some cases, it might be higher or lower. When it comes to spreads, Exness is actually one of the most competitive brokers out there. With the zero account, you get zero spread on over 30 instruments for about 95% of the time. That's a massive edge, especially for scalpers and high-frequency traders. Now let's talk about what you can actually trade on Exness. The product range is huge. You can trade 107 forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotic currencies. They also offer 10 indices, 30 stocks, 2 oil symbols, and 10 metal instruments, including gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. On the crypto side, they've got 7 pairs, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Exness regularly updates and expands this list, so you'll likely see even more instruments over time. And if you're into crypto, there's a lot to like here. Now, onto trading platforms. Exness supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are industry standards. With MT4, you get 2 instant market orders, buy and sell, plus 4 pending orders, buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, and sell limit. It supports 9 timeframes and uses the MQL4 programming language for custom indicators and trading bots. MT4 supports all account types, standard, cent, pro, raw spread, and zero. MT5 is a bit more advanced. It supports 6 pending order types, the 4 from MT4 plus 2 additional ones. Buy stop limit and sell stop limit. These allow for more precise entry strategies. MT5 offers up to 21 timeframes and uses MQL5, which is more powerful and flexible for algorithmic trading. You can open all account types on MT5, except the cent account. Besides MT4 and MT5, Exness also offers web terminal for browser-based trading, and fully functional mobile apps for iOS and Android. If you're into passive trading, Exness also has a social trading app. Launched in March 2019, it lets you copy the strategies of successful traders directly from your phone. You just pick a trader, allocate your funds, and the system automatically mirrors their trades. If they make a profit, so do you, based on your proportional investment. It's a great option if you don't have time to trade manually or you're still learning the ropes. In terms of deposits and withdrawals, Exness really stands out. You can fund your account through internet banking, Neteller, Skrill, and even crypto wallets like Bitcoin, USDT, or USDC. More importantly, deposits and withdrawals work 24/7, even on Saturdays and Sundays. And the processing time is crazy fast. And if you need help, Exness's customer support is fast and responsive. You can get in touch via live chat, which connects you directly with support staff if needed. There's also email support at support@exness.com, a support center with FAQs, and a contact page if you want to reach out in other ways. Based on my experience, live chat is quick and helpful, but for more complex issues, email can be useful too. Let's wrap it up with the pros and cons. First, the pros. Exness has a super fast and simple account registration process. You can start trading without full verification as long as your deposit is under $2. Withdrawals are lightning fast, even on weekends. Spreads are excellent, especially on the zero account where you can get zero spread on over 30 products 95% of the time. The minimum deposit is just $1, and you get access to a variety of account types, including cent accounts to practice with. Their financial transparency is top tier, with audited statements and strong regulation. Plus, their social trading app makes it easy to earn passively. And of course, their support team is friendly, fast, and available in your language. As for the cons, spreads can still widen during major news releases, pretty normal across the industry. Unlimited leverage is a great feature, but it's also risky if you don't know how to manage your trades. The good news is, you can always choose a lower leverage level to stay in control. Another thing to note is that Exness operates on GMT+0 server time, while some other brokers use GMT+2. This doesn't change open or close times, but it may affect candle formations, especially on the H4 chart, where the candle size could differ from what you're used to. So, is Exness the right broker for you? Honestly, if you're looking for a regulated, Flexible and fast broker with good spreads, fast withdrawals, and strong platform support, it's hard to go wrong with Exness. It's beginner-friendly but also powerful enough for experienced traders. Just be sure to manage your risk wisely, especially with the high leverage available. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Drop a comment if you've used Exness or want me to review another broker. See you in the next video.